How you going? Welcome back. After my pad crapow video yesterday, my friend Leigh in Manila suggested I make a pork adobo video. So I had a bit of a look on the internet to sort of see how it's done. It's basically pork that's braised in soy sauce and vinegar. Very popular dishes in Philippines. A lot of variety. Every province or region's got its own recipe, their own variations, plus different people make their own additions. Usually it's just the meat with a bit of garlic and all braised up. Some people put veggies in too. I'm going to put a bit of veggies in it. Otherwise my mum will get upset with me for not having the vegetables. So, what do we need? So here's my prep. I've got pork belly. It's been cut up into approximately 1-inch cubes and it's been marinating for 3 hours in pineapple and mango juice. Now the recipe that I've got says to use pineapple juice. It's pretty common, not unusual. But I went to the supermarket and no pineapple juice. Best I could get was pineapple and mango, but 91% pineapple, so that'll do. The mango will probably just make it nicer anyway. So I've got some garlic here. There's about 6 cloves just roughly crushed and peeled. I've got some parboiled potatoes. You don't have to parboil them, they'll cook a bit quicker, make it a bit nicer. Got some chopped up onion and carrot, cracked black peppercorn, and bay leaves. And I'm going to use white wine vinegar. I don't have white vinegar, couldn't be bothered buying a big bottle of it, so we just use what's here. Italian white wine vinegar. Sounds good. And of course the usual suspects, fish sauce and soy sauce. I'll use a hell of a lot of that soy sauce. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, first up, heat up a bit of oil on a pan. Once it's hot, add in the garlic. You just want to fry it for a couple of minutes, just till it starts to get a little bit of colour on it. You don't want to burn it or make it bitter. Oh, it smells good. Alright, that'll do it. Now we got the pork. Now I've drained off the majority of the pineapple and mango juice. I just add it in. Give it a stir around. Just want to fry it lightly till it starts getting a little bit of colour. Once again, doesn't take long. You just want it to start browning a little bit, not much. Just a little bit beyond the sealed stage. Right now, cracked peppercorns. Oh, splatter. Some bay leaves. Stir it all up. Just another couple of minutes of cooking there. Hopefully I won't get splattered with more hot oil. Now, add in the soy sauce. As I said, using a fair bit of it. More splatter in my face. Add in the white vinegar, or white wine vinegar in this case. That'll do it. And the pineapple juice, pineapple and mango juice that it was marinated in. In it goes. Give it a stir up. And add in your veggies. Par-cooked potatoes, onion, carrot, get it all properly mixed through nice and evenly. Bring it back up to the boil. Can you smell that? It's great, isn't it? Okay. Now, put a lid on it. Turn the heat down. You just want to simmer it away there. It's going to take a while to cook, possibly around about 3/4 of an hour. So we'll leave it be for a bit. I'll come back to you later. I'll just clean up a little bit of mess I've made already, and wipe up some of this oil that's splattered all over the stove and my face. Righto. See you soon. While the pork's cooking, oh, it smells fantastic. You're going to love it. That just every 10 minutes or so, just give it a little bit of a stir around. Make sure everything gets cooked evenly. Just a waiting game, really. Well, we've had our 45 minutes approximately cooking time. Take the lid off, give it a stir up. The potatoes cooked, carrots are cooked, pork's cooked. Now we turn the heat up. what we want to do is we want to boil it away on a medium-high heat. All this liquid in here, we want that to reduce right down almost entirely, just so it just leaves a nice little glaze on the vegetables and on the meat. It'll take a few minutes. I'll get back to you shortly. Won't be long now. Right, this is nearly done. You see most of the sauce is evaporated, giving all the meat and veggies a beautiful glaze. About now, we'll put in a little bit of fish sauce. Doesn't need a great deal. Great flavour enhancer. Now I'm going to call that done. Turn off the heat, remove it from the heat. Stick it in the bowl. And there we go. Doesn't that look great? Now for the test, see what it tastes like. Okay, here we go. The taste. Nice chunk of pork. It's beautiful. Hot, but beautiful. The vinegar gives it a bit of tartness, but that also breaks down the fattiness of the pork, makes it taste better. It's just wonderful. You'll love it. You can substitute chicken instead of pork if you're not keen on pork. But yeah, that's about it. You got less than 10 minutes of prep time, probably about 5 minutes. You got 3 hours of marinating time. All up, approximately an hour of cooking, which it basically does itself. You just stick a lid on it for most of it and just forget about it for 45 minutes and come back and reduce it down. Anyway, you'll love it. There it is. Gorgeous.